Helo eto, rwan, dych chi'n barod i fynd nôl i'r stafell ddosbarth am y tro ola ar wythnos hon. Back to the classroom for the last time, yn doedd?
Yeah, a tro yma, oedd y dysgwyr yn paratoi hysbyseb. They were preparing an advert ar gyfer S4C.
Mae'n ddoniol. Cafodd Ioan a finna alwad ffôn pwysig iawn gan S4C. Mae nhw eisiau i'r dethol rai actorion gorau'r wlad i ffilmio trailer i S4C. Ac da ni'n mynd i fod yn hysbysebu, Ioan. Beth da ni'n hysbysebu?
Anturiaethau fflach eirias!
Wy'n gwybod beth ych chi'n meddwl, a dwi ddim yn gwybod chwaith. Ydy yn ymddygiad teilwng i aelod newydd o'r orsedd?
So beth yw hwnna? What's that? A deryn? A bird? A waren? A plane?
Nage! Fflach eirias!
Y twrci mwyaf a welodd teledu erioed.
Gelyn pob dihireg dieffleg.
Ffrind pob siaradwr Cymraeg. Mae PhD gyda fe mewn ffiseg quantum.
Anturiaethau fflach eirias! Fflach eirias!
Mae un gyflymach na ffrenau ar Rifa Cymru.
Mae un gryfach na chaws glas.
Mae un iachach na moren oren wedi sleisio.
Mae'n wrth i ddodd ar gwaenau blwydd mewn cantin ysgol. Anturiaethau fflach eirias!
Nos Sul nesaf.
Saith o'r gloch. Yma'r al S4C.
Cofiwch chwilio bawb!
Pa bynnag mor goegiog yw'r stori, does e ddim byd gwag neu ffals am emosiwn y sesiwn ola.
Thank you so much. It's been a massive, massive honour. You've been great teachers for me, and everybody else has been good teachers for me, but the classroom has been really important to us. And you've been great. Thank you so much.
It's been a uchaf point of the week.
It's been the best thing, classes.
Diolch yn fawr, iawn.
Absolutely fantastic.
You are fantastic teachers.
You're my favourite Welsh teachers in the world.
You're my only Welsh teacher in the world.
Because Mrs Williams.
Mwy o ddagre, more tears, what can I say? Wel, fel dych chi'n gwybod, oedd rhaid i ni ddewis un enillydd. We had to choose one winner, although I'd argue everyone's winner ar Cariad at Iaith. Ond sut oedd hynna'n gweithio?
Wel, oedd y celebs yn dewis un enillydd allan o'r grŵp. They chose their own winner from within the group.
Yeah.
That was the first step.
Yn union. Ac pwy ddaeth i gyflwyno neu i gyhoeddi? Who came to announce who that winner was? Ond Melanie Walters, y previous winner ar Cariad at Iaith, yn deg, oedd hi'n braf i gweld hi. Nawr te, wyt ti'n barod? Ti'n mynd i gyhoeddi enillydd pleidlais y celebs i ni.
Wrth gwrs. Right. Enillydd pleidlais celebs you.
Dipyn o ddrama.
Gareth a Dai.
At least someone can talk for me.
At least someone can talk for me. Reit te, wel, llongyfarchiadau chi'ch dau. Nawr te, Alfie, ti yn arwr, ein harwr ni oll, ie? Hero.
Fel fflach
eirias. Ar y cae rygbi, iawn. Dwi'n falch bod Alfie'n crio hefyd, it makes me feel better. Reit, ti'n arwr ar y cae rygbi, sut mae'n teimlo? How does it feel fod dy ffrindiau di yn gweld ti fel arwr hefyd?
I struggle to explain it in English, let alone in Welsh. These guys, everything about it, but especially these guys, I swear, I'll take the memories that I've made this week to my grave. It's been amazing.
Yeah, diolch.
Diolch! Nawr te, Dai ydi ein mam ni oll. Ti'n edrych ar yn holen ni, ac mae hi fel ail athrawes, achos mae hi'n dda iawn am helpu pawb arall.
Dwi eisiau helpu. Wel, diolch i ti hefyd. Dwi'n yn syn.
Ie,
I'm in shock, yeah.
Dwi'n sioc, ie.
I'm not really in sin, I'm in shock. Dwi'n yn syn.
Gawson ni hefyd Paul Pinion ar Facebook yn do, lle ydych chi wilwyr adre, you viewers at home, yn gallu dewis eich hoff celeb chi.
A dyma'r canlyniad. Here's the individual and combined results. Drum roll.
Enillydd Paul Pinion Facebook, you. Gareth!
Felly dowch i ni cael ei gliro i bawb gan fod Alfie yn ddewis i chi gartra a fod o hefyd yn gydradd efo Dai ar y bleidlais y celebs, because Alfie's the viewer's choice and was joint winner with Dai on the celebrity vote. Dwi'n falch o gyhoeddi taw enillydd Cariad at Iaith 2012 ydy Gareth Alfie Thomas.
Rwan hefyd, llong gyfarchiadau mawr iawn i ti. Rwan ta, tra ti'n ymbwyllo, i ni esbonio beth ydy dy wobr di, y llwy gari hyfryd yma. Mae wedi cael ei chreu gan y gof Toby Peterson sydd yn y gynulleidfa heno yma, felly diolch yn fawr iawn Toby, mae'n hyfryd yn dydi. Ac hefyd, rwy ti wedi ennill penwythnos yn Nant Gwrtheyrn yn dysgu Cymraeg! Y lôn. I only live down the road, perfect. So byddai yna i ddod i weld i.
Alfie, llong gyfarchiadau. Edrycha ar y sgrin, dyma dy uchafbwyntiau di yr wythnos yma.
Dwi wedi cael amser ardderchog. And that doesn't give it justice. That's just because that's what I know in Welsh.
Pimp seren, yeah.
Fundamentally, we're here because we want to learn Welsh. It's great, we have fun and we get to do activities and we can have a drink in the night. But the reason everyone came here was because they either wanted to improve or to start speaking Welsh.
Cymach. Running is red egg.
For me, the highlight is seeing like Dai, Botch and Wyn actually go from having quite a lot of Welsh to having almost fluent conversations and sitting there and listening to them as if they've spoken Welsh all their life. Gives me motivation to be like that, and that was the fundamentals of our group. We got people at different levels. And when I see Dai sit down and Wyn sit down and do interviews and just come out with words and phrases, and I think, well, do you know what? If I stick at it, then there's no reason why I can't be in their place and somebody else can look at me and I can inspire somebody else to learn the language as well. It's the last show and I really don't want it to end. But you know what? It's not ending tomorrow. For me, it's just beginning, and I think that pays back for the work everybody has done here for us. My life has been filled with ups and downs, and this whole experience, in comparison to anything I've done, has been one of the best. I'll take such great memories away from this that they will be up there with like winning my cap and things I've done that I dreamed of doing, because through my rugby, through everything I've done, I've always held my Welshness as a priority, as something I've been ultimately proud of. And to say that I can walk out of this camp tomorrow being prouder to be Welsh says to me that it's one of the best things I've ever done. Pawb yn caru ar iaith Gymraeg am y fforest.
Llongyfarchiadau mawr I Alfie, I Dai ac i'r celebs I gyd. Dyddiau da.
A diolch yn fawr I chi am wylio, a cofiwch, os ydych chi eisiau gwylio eto, ewch i'r wefan s4c.co.uk/hub. Diolch I chi am gadw cwmni I ni dros yr wythnosau diwethaf. Mae wedi bod yn hwyl, it's been fun yn dydi. Iawn, felly am y tro, hwyl fawr I chi. Hwyl fawr.